In this video, I'm going to talk about how to clean your fireplace glass. Have you noticed that the inside of your fireplace glass has gotten really blurry and kind of sooted up from the heat of the fireplace? Well, this is how you clean it. All you'll need to clean it is a ceramic glass or fireplace glass cleaner. You can go on Amazon, you can find tons of these, have it shipped to your house in 2 days, and some paper towel. Now, how do you open up the glass? Well, there's a couple of different ways. If you look at your instruction manual, if you still have it for your fireplace, it'll tell you how to do that. I'll show you how to get in there and pop the glass off. Every fireplace is going to be different. On the last one I did in our other room, there were actually little releases right here in the sides. With this fireplace, and I don't have the instruction manual anymore, it looks like the release is actually up here. With this particular fireplace, there's a screw up here, and there's one up here, and I think all I need to do is loosen these, and that'll let me bring the glass down. We'll find out. So I'm just loosening up the screws here, and then I should be able to drop the glass. All right, here we go. And it's heavy, so make sure you got a secure grip on it, but show you, looking down through the Hearthstone. So once you got the glass laying down on the ground, now we can rub it with the glass cleaner. All right, and then we'll just put some on the glass like that. And it says to use paper towel with it. And then you just rub it around like this. It's almost like waxing a car. All right, I got the inside of the glass all clean, so now we can lift it up. Make sure it's on there all the way. In this case, put the screws back in. Do the same thing for the outside. Voila. Okay, that'll do it for this video. Just figured since I was doing it, I'd share it. I know a lot of people, when I go to their houses, I see that they're dirty on the inside, so now you know how to clean it. Hope that helps. Let me know if you got any questions. Thanks.